Yo, what's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another motherfucking video. Today we just have a nice little M4 drive for you guys and just a nice little vlog. So here's the nice little Z3 in the background. We started to put some flags in the garage. So we got some. I'll go show you guys the other side. I really hope you guys are doing good today and everything. And I know I'm doing good because it's another beautiful day that God has put us back on this earth. So why not make the most out of it, and why not enjoy the nice beautiful sun? It's really nice out, but I can't lie, it's a little hot and definitely a little bright out there for sure. Before we start the video for real, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the support recently. I really appreciate it. We are at 179 or 178 or 179 subscribers right now. And last video, to be honest with you, last video we jumped from 171 to 179, so, or 178, one of the two, I don't know. Whatever the case may be, it's still a really big milestone. I'm really happy, and just thank you guys so much for liking, and thank you guys so much for commenting when you guys do, and all that, man. So I hope you guys do enjoy this content, and just let me know what you guys want to see down below. So thank you. We're gonna do a nice little cold start. I'm just gonna put the car into all of its modes real quick. But that's a cold start. I'll show you all the car too. Just trust that we definitely got downpipes and exhaust work coming soon, lowering springs coming soon, maybe a fatter tire on the back. This is the bad gal. The bad gal. She's looking really fire today. Looks really good with the yellow DRLs, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna go ahead, hop up into it, and get a nice little video going for y'all, man. So just stay tuned, cause content only gets better from here on out, y'all. So yo. Right, y'all. So for some reason the fucking GoPro's tweaking, so we're not doing POV, but we are gonna. I'm still gonna get the content for y'all, man, because I'm not gonna let a fucking GoPro stop me, bro. Like, what type of bullshit is that? Y'all hear that motherfucker? 20% throttle. I mean, like, what the fuck? Let me stop before I get pulled over wilding out. So I'm gonna just cool it. Just wanted to show y'all some poles. That's literally 20% throttle. I want to show y'all some 100%, but again, my camera is bugging out. Like, for some reason it's just wanting to record the black screen. I don't know why. So instead we are just gonna do this. Like, I just saw a cop on the other side. Like, the cops are out today, man, and I know I have a radar detector, but I'm not trying to drive with one hand and wild out with the other, or drive out with one hand and record with the other, you feel me? So I'm gonna just cool it. But some nice poles a pole a day keep the doctor away, you know what I mean? So it's kind of nice to get some nice poles for y'all, man. know bro is not gonna move for me. This is what I'm saying, like, it's just not the time to be doing it right now. Nobody's being courteous to the faster drivers currently, so I'm gonna go ahead. Hold up. I'm gonna go ahead. Let me get a pull like that. I'm telling you, every time I do a pull, I start smiling like that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, and if I can get my camera to work, I'll hop back up in the car. But I think for now, this is gonna do for this video. Yo guys, we just got back home to the house. It's currently the next day. I know my hair looks crazy, but I had the windows down while I was driving. How could you not have your windows down while driving a popping and banging car? Let's be real. But I figured I just got home, and it just so happened I took the M4 to work today. So I'm gonna go ahead, back it up in to the garage, and I'll get out and show you guys it, and then I'll give you guys a proper outro. All right, y'all. Well, anyway, I just hopped up out the car. I'm gonna switch the camera around real quick. I'm gonna open up this so I can give you guys a nice little outro of both the whips. Look at this. Oh, damn. Damn. Whose purple whip is that? Macked with a whole bunch of fucking bugs. Damn, crazy. It's crazy to see both of these bitches next to one another, man. Jesus. But anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I really enjoy making it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it, because making it and watching it is two different things, but they're both enjoyable, to be honest. So why don't we both enjoy the experience? You feel me? Anyway, y'all, look at that carbon on the front, bro. Oh my God, the carbon on the hood and on the fucking brake ducts. Jeez. I'm not gonna lie, I like the stock grill. If they made a carbon fiber grill that was just like the stock one, I'd definitely cop. But I think that should look fire. God damn. Shit, man. Talk about a blessing and a half. Look at this. Anyway, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video, and it's really bright out, but I'm just dealing with it. I'm not gonna lie. Hope you guys enjoyed the driving from the highway to the back roads to, you know, all the flybys and everything, and just the inside driving and everything. If you guys enjoyed the vlog style content, just let me know down below, and I'll make sure to keep putting this stuff out. And to be honest, I'll try to find some more stuff to go do. Maybe we go find some more stuff. My hair is out of control. Maybe we go find some more stuff to do within the car community before the winter starts, before we start our next project for the winter, which we are going to be making this beast right here, the M4, into a high horsepower fucking running and gunning beast, baby. It's like, nah, I'm just kidding. We are going to make the M4 significantly faster this winter. So just stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for what there is to come on this channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We actually just hit 179 subscribers, and that's crazy. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I am. And we were just at 171. So please make sure you guys hit that sub button down below and hit that like button down below, and make sure y'all let me know down in the comments. Again, I'm gonna say it again. Make sure y'all let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see on these videos. I am gonna go inside before I start baking in this hot ass garage. with these two hot ass guards, you feel me? But nah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. I'm gonna see y'all, man. Peace.
In middle barbecue pussy nigga hold a blow, you ain't first, your last pussy. I'm still on that chopper throwing. Sugar ain't got my